snowing. Oh my gosh. We stopped because it was raining to have lunch. Today, Jeff and I are stopped at the Kit Carson Cafe. It was so delicious. And it was raining when we stopped for lunch. And now it is snowing. So this is the first time we'll be taking our van race for a drive in the snow. We are in Kit Carson, Colorado, and I will tell you though, the Kit Carson Cafe is delicious. Everything is homemade, and the owner is super sweet. She even makes homemade peach ice cream, which I don't even have to put in the refrigerator right now because it's so cold outside. But if you ever are driving through Colorado, this would be a great place to stop. Have a great day. Bye-bye.